for a hot sauce to spice up your life? Look no further. This one-of-a-kind hot sauce will be a staple for your cookouts or for any occasion. Lego. Before we start, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. Por favor y gracias. You are going to need this. Four roccoto peppers, handful of cilantro, 3 garlic cloves, olive oil, 1 green pepper, 1 medium purple onion, 1 lemon, scallions, salt and pepper. Start by removing the seeds and also the skin for a creamier consistency. Then chop the hot pepper, onion, green pepper and add it to the blender along with the garlic, cilantro, half cup of olive oil and a whole lemon. I added about 2 tablespoons of salt but season to taste, and voila, a homemade salsa for the best barbecue of the century. I highly recommend to the spicy lovers. Also remember, a little goes a long way. What's great about making your own sauce is you know exactly what ingredients go inside. I'm adding olive oil. Everyone knows olive oil is the best. I am definitely team olive oil. Thank you. Right here I'm adding a little more salt. I like it a little more flavorful, so you can play around with it for sure. And please do not forget the scallions. It does make the most subtle difference. Store it in a glass container and keep it in the fridge. When you use it, remember, a little goes a long way. For more content like this, please hit the like button and subscribe. Share this recipe with your friends and family and leave a comment to let me know how it turned out.